Once upon a time there was a tiny kitty. He loved milk. Wait. He wasn't that tiny. He was a little bigger. That's more like it. So, Kitty loved milk. And he had a friend named Freddie. Freddie liked jumping. He liked jumping a lot. What do you think happened next? Yes, Freddie spilled the milk. Oops, I'm out of here. When Kitty saw the mess, he could not believe it. And then something magical happened. Hello, who are you? Said Kitty. I am your fairy godmother Mouse, said the magical creature. Oh, okay, said Kitty. I see you have a problem, said the fairy. Yes, Freddie spilled my milk. He loves jumping. I have a solution. Let's bring more kitties to help clean the mess. That's a great idea. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, kitties, let's clean up the mess. The kitties cleaned all the milk and said goodbye. Thanks, bye, bye-bye, see ya, meow. Now, where were we? Oh, there, everything is back to normal, said the fairy. Oh no, not again. Ah, that was close. Freddie, you have to be more careful. No more jumping at dinner time. Okay, said Freddie. He had some milk too. The end. He was black and white with a pink nose. His name was Kitty. I hope everyone had a great time watching this children's story. I had a lot of fun making it. Let me know if you would like to see more of this type of videos. And don't forget to click on the card up here to see the other artists with their other children's stories participating in this collaboration. Also, any comments of any kind and requests are welcome. You can post them in the comments box below. And if this is the first time that you're visiting, I hope you will subscribe by clicking on this button over here. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and share it in the information down below and also in my blog for those that are interested.